Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how we can use generative AI to write complete professional tutorial scripts in minutes. Whether it's for YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, TikToks, or courses, AI makes scripting super fast and easy. So let's get started. So we can use any of the generative AI platform. For that, we have ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude AI, even Canva Magic, right? All of them can write full scripts, outlines, intros, and some outros for us. So let's use Gemini for this video. We can use Gemini or ChatGPT or any other generative AI. I'm just gonna use Gemini for this. Now, once you are in this space right here, we can start by telling AI exactly what we want. So there are a bunch of prompts you can type in. For example, if you want a YouTube tutorial for fixing slow internet, you can type in write you a YouTube tutorial for fixing, let's say, slow Wi-Fi on Windows. You could just go and type in that. Once you type in that, hit enter. This is only an example, and AI should instantly generate a very clean script on your stack. You can see the AI has started generating. You can look out for a bunch of solutions here. Like if your Wi-Fi is sluggish on your Windows, you can just go and follow up these settings, those kind of things, and AI will generate. To make the script feel like more, you can just go over and type in specific instructions. So I can type in like use the word we instead of I, something like that, and hit enter, and it should write the script exactly how you want it, and that is it. You can even encrypt the script with making it shorter, making it more energetic, and adding different humors as well. And also ask for different variations. So for example, if I want it for TikTok versions, I'm just gonna type in TikTok version. And when you do, it should give me the exact script, and that should help me create content for every platform. This is how we do it. You can use AI every time you need an idea. We can also ask generative AI for different video ideas, title, thumbnails, etc. and literally do the whole content pipeline for us. And that's it. That's how we can use generative AI to write a complete tutorial scripts quickly, easily, and professionally. So if you want, you can follow up this process, and not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.